Friends, my name is Amit Kumar and today I am going to discuss a class 7 chapter from related to geography and my topic is environment. Environment जिसका हिंदी से अर्थ होता है वातावरण. It means the things. वातावरण क्या होता है? ऐसी चीजें जो हमारे आसपास पाई जाती है जिससे हमारे लाइफ सपोर्ट करता हो. इसी तरह से इंग्लिश में भी इसको डिफाइन किया जाता है. द थिंग्स विच आर फाउंड इन योर सराउंडिंग विच सपोर्ट योर लाइफ, it is its environment. Once again, the things which are found in your surrounding, it support your life, it is known as environment. There are probably we have find out nearby you, we have two kind of resources, you can say the things environment which have been found. One is a man-made, another is natural. We have a two type of environment to create nearby you. One is probably that natural environment, another is man-made environment. Let's we talk about the major few important necessary things to how to learn this topic, particularly important topic, and in a primary stage we have to learn this environment, whatever we see in your surrounding. जो भी वस्तु तुम अपने आसपास नियर बाई चीज देखते हो या पाते हो जो आपके जीवन को सपोर्ट करता हो वो क्या है? वातावरण है या एनवायरमेंट है. एनवायरमेंट मीन्स वट एवर यू सी इन योर सराउंडिंग इट सपोर्ट योर बेसिक लाइफ, पर्टिकुलरली इट सपोर्ट योर लाइफ. The things is called environment. Once again, environment means the environment is your basic things which support your life, like air, water, soil, food, clothes, houses. These are it is a part of environment. Okay. So the important things in environment, we know that some environment which is given by the natures and some environment is created by the human being. Which type of environment is created by the nature? We know that it's present the sunlight, air and water. It is given by the God. So it is natural. And another we have option to the things which are support our life, because I am wearing the clothes and I am using this marker. These are made by the human being. It is also part of our environment. Okay, let's start about the more definition about the topic. We have environment is our basic life support system. Environment is basic life support systems which provide necessary things. What was the necessary things? They are air, water, food and land etc. They are air, water, food and land etc. These are given by which are found in our surrounding, which is given by the nature. Okay, we are going to study this in this chapter. Particularly new topic is related to components of environment and natural environment and human environment. We have three kind of important learning objectives. These are components of environment, natural environment, human environment, and the last one is environmental pollutions. Let's start with the components of environment. Dear student, I had already told that particularly in this environment we have two kinds of environment generated. One is a natural environment, another is man-made environment. So the component is some component is related to natural and some components is related to the man-made. Let's say about the component. Component of environment means we have a two type of biological and non-biological. Biological and non-biological substance occur. That is called some components is related to biotic and some component is related to abiotic. Some components is related to biotic and some component is related to abiotic. So what is the biotic, abiotic? The things which have life is called biotic and the things do not have life, they are called abiotic. Okay. So these are the components of environment. Some materials are biotic and some is abiotic. We have the example of biotic. We have living organism, human being including myself. And what is abiotic? The things which do not have life. For example, they do not have life. Sunlight, water, soil, these are called abiotic. And what is the next one? Is a natural environment. Natural environment means the environment which is created by the nature, which support your life, to move your life, which grow your life. That is referred to different things. The various components which are situated in the natural environment, they are ecosystems. They are that is a various layer of earth. We have the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. These are also the component of natural environment. Students, once again I say you, These are the natural environments. It is a ecosystem, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. These are the basic components of natural environment. Okay, so the natural environment contains these things. First of all, we define what is ecosystem. Ecosystem का अर्थ होता है that systems in which the plants and animals they are interdependent to each other. पारिस्थितिक तंत्र का अर्थ होता है कि ऐसी व्यवस्था जिसमें पौधे और मनुष्य या जीव जंतु आपस में एक दूसरे पर निर्भर रहते हैं जीवन यापन करने के लिए. उदाहरण के तौर पर पौधे द्वारा प्राप्त किया गया लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म द्वारा प्राप्त किया गया कुछ चीजें जैसे भोजन, हवा, पानी. Probably these are given by the nature. So these are given by the plants, and another we have options to what will we get from the human being. The living organism also excrete or waste lot of things to given to the plants. For example, human being need a oxygen which is given by the plants, and carbon dioxide is need by the plant which is given by the living organisms. So we talk about these are the components of environment. This is called natural environment, and the next one is what is different realm of the earth. They are majorly these are four: atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. These are the sphere of earth. Let's start with the atmosphere. The spheres, it is a blanket of airs which are found around the earth's surface. It is called atmosphere. Once again, it is the sphere of air. It means the sphere which contain lot of types of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, that is nitrogen, and many others, water vapor, etc. So why atmosphere is important? The two major elements. One, it maintain our climatic conditions, and second one, that protect us from ultraviolet harmful rays. So the atmosphere is very essential for survival of life. And the second is called biosphere. Bio means life. Bio means life. The sphere which contain life. That means the sphere which contains life. For example, all living or microorganism to the big living organism, they are all surviving over there, where the sphere where contain atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Such type of this particular sphere, they all are lie over there. They are called biosphere. Biosphere, that means sphere of life. It contains living organisms. It contains plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. And the next one is called lithosphere. When we talk about the lithosphere, it consists the formation that is types of Earth's surface. It included crust, mantle, core. It consists soil. Lithosphere, the uppermost hardest rock part of the Earth, it is called lithosphere. It consists crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, and core. Okay, so the next one is called hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? That means the sphere which contain hydro. Hydro means water. Hydro means water. एक ऐसा स्फेयर जिसमें जल की पर्याप्त मात्रा उपलब्ध होती है, जो जल से चारों, आपको अच्छे से पता है बच्चों कि पृथ्वी के 2/3 हिस्से में सिर्फ जल से भरा हुआ है, जिस वजह से पृथ्वी को ब्लू प्लांट की संज्ञा दी जाती है. तो हाइड्रोस्फेयर, द स्फेयर विच कंटेन्स वाटर, इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोस्फेयर. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड, दैट इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दीज थ्री एटमोस्फेयर, lithosphere, and hydrosphere are lie over the biosphere. It all are support the human life. Okay, and the last and important topic is related to environmental pollution. Environmental pollution means when the environment is contaminated for the survival of life. It means the environment which are generally not good for the living of for living organisms. The reason behind why environment is polluted, we know that many human activities are most probably the responsible for that. The human activities like urbanization, overpopulation, industrialization, these are the basic problems which are create the environmental pollution. We know that the India is a vast country and it has a huge population, which generally increase the pollution lot of environment. As a result, we have a natural environment is polluted. And the second was the urbanization and the high quantity of populations. It create the modern life. They move towards, most people are moved towards the urban area for comfort life. But you know that is also increase the huge amount of environmental degradations. And the last one is called industrialization. Industrialization. This is the industrialization is a modern way to find out the particularly which country has been developed or not developed. But in the behind of industrialization, we create lot of environmental pollution. Children, you know that industries are emits lot of harmful gases and waste which are degrade our environment. And the main other activities like probably we use fertilizers, chemical fertilizer, non-biodegradable substance. It's damage the total natural environment. So today the finally, and we have last time we quickly revised what is environment. Environment means whatever you see in your surrounding, either they are biotic or abiotic, they support our life, they are called environment. So it means environment is a condition, ideas which are give which support our life. Thank you so much for the today class.